Welcome back. You're watching Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are St. Martin de Porres on 2, Victoria Primary on 3. Before we get into the next segment, just so you know, for the question, what is a spring balance used to measure, Victoria Primary answered mass. It was incorrect. The correct answer we were looking for was weight or force. Doesn't affect the scores, just wanted you to know. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. The teams have already made their selections for each face-off, so let's begin. Face-off 1 is in mathematics. It's between Faith Clayton of Victoria Primary up against Amaya Vassal of St. Martin de Porres Primary. Faith, we begin with you. If $450 is decreased by 10%, what's the new amount?
The answer is 410.
That's incorrect. Amaya, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's $405. Faith, a man earns $250 per day. How many days will he work to earn $2,000?
8 days.
That's correct. If A equals 3, B equals 4, C equals 5. What's the value of 3AB minus 2C?
The answer is 9.
That's incorrect. Amaya, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 26. Faith, what are the next two terms in the series? 5, 10, 15, 20.
25 and 30.
That's correct. What is 3 squared multiplied by 4 squared?
That would be 52.
That's incorrect. Amaya, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. 64.
That's also incorrect. It's 144. Amaya, over to you. If $250 is increased by 10%, what's the new amount?
$300.
That's incorrect. Faith, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's $275. Amaya, a woman works 8 hours per day at a rate of $150 per hour. How much will she earn in 3 days?
$450.
That's incorrect. Faith, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's $3,600. Amaya, if A equals 6, B equals 2, C equals 3, what's the value of 3AB plus 2C? Question passes. Faith, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 30. Amaya, what are the next two terms in the series? 8, 16, 24, 32.
40 and 48.
That's right. Amaya, what is 5 squared multiplied by 2 cubed? That's incorrect. Faith, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 200. Taking us now to our next face-off. It's in the category of science. It's between Diamante Mitchell of Victoria Primary. Diamante is up against Apollonia Redley of St. Martin de Porres Primary. Diamante, complete this statement using the correct word. The part of the human eye that controls how much light passes through the pupil is the?
Cornea.
That's incorrect, Diamante. Apollonia, we now pass over to you. Would you like to try?
you, Iris.
Iris is correct. Diamante, what is another name for the sternum in humans?
Gullet.
That's incorrect. Apolloni, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's the breastbone. Diamante, when a room is soundproof, what happens to the sound?
Sound cannot penetrate.
That's incorrect. Apolloni, would you like to try?
It bounces back.
Nope, that's incorrect. It is absorbed is the correct answer. Diamante, what are the two holes in the human nose called?
Nostrils.
That's right. What type of rocks form when molten magma or lava cools and solidifies?
Obsidian.
That's incorrect. Apolloni, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's igneous rocks. Apolloni, we're now over to you. Complete this statement using the correct word. The name given to the green pigment in plants is the? Question passes. Diamante, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll is correct. Apolloni, what's another name for the voice box in humans? Diamante, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the larynx. Apolloni, what happens to sound for there to be an echo?
It reflects.
That is correct. Sound is reflected. Apolloni, what is the largest organ in the human body? Diamante, want to try?
Yes, thank you. The liver.
That's incorrect. It's the skin. Apolloni, what type of rocks form when particles settle out of water or air? Question passes to you. Diamante, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's sedimentary rocks. That takes us now to our next face-off. It is in English language. It's between Risha May Austin of Victoria Primary up against Sasha Wakefield of St. Martin de Porres Primary. Risha May, identify all the adjectives in this sentence. It was a wonderful moment when Mary won the first prize in the annual contest.
Wonderful.
That's incorrect. Sasha, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's wonderful, first, and annual. Risha May, complete the proverb. An idle brain is the? Sasha, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the devil's workshop. Risha May, spell hesitation. Question passes. Sasha, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Hesitation.
Judges? That's incorrect. It's hesitation, Hesitation. Risha May, identify the adverb in this sentence. We have met before.
Before.
That's right. Form a noun from the word betray. Sasha, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Betrayed.
That's incorrect. It's betrayal or betrayer. Sasha, over to you. Identify all the adjectives in this sentence. The lovely girl won the beauty contest in sunny Jamaica.
Lovely, beauty, and sunny.
That's right. Complete the proverb. An ounce of prevention is worth?
Pass.
Risha May, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's worth a pound of cure. Sasha, spell spiritual.
Spiritual.
That's correct. Identify the adverb in this sentence. They came here yesterday.
Came.
That's incorrect. Risha May, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's hair. Sasha, form a noun from the word prepare.
Prepared?
That's incorrect. Risha May, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's preparation. Taking us now to our final face-off. It's in the category of social studies. It's between Khadija Murray of Victoria Primary up against Amoy Dale of St. Martin de Porres Primary. Khadija, on which date does the Atlantic hurricane season end each year?
Monday?
That's incorrect. Amoy, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's November the 30th. Khadija, which imaginary line divides the Earth into northern and southern hemisphere?
The equator?
That's correct. In which century did the Spanish capture Jamaica?
14?
That's incorrect. Amoy, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the 15th century. Khadija, in which Jamaican parish is the Ward Theatre?
St. James?
That's incorrect. Amoy, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Kingston. Khadija, Errol Barrow was a former prime minister of which Caribbean country?
Cuba?
That's incorrect. Amoy, want to try?
Haiti?
That's also incorrect. It's Barbados. Amoy, over to you. How many categories of hurricanes exist in the Atlantic?
5?
That's right. How many times per year does the sun pass directly over the equator? Khadija, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's twice. Amoy, in which century did the English capture Jamaica from Spain? Khadija, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the 17th century. Amoy, in which Jamaican parish is the Rose Hall Great House? Khadija, want to try?
Yes, thank you, St. James.
That's correct. Amoy, Ver Bird was a former prime minister of which Caribbean country?
Cuba?
That's incorrect. Khadija, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
The correct answer is Antigua and Barbuda. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are St. Martin de Porres Primary on 3, Victoria Primary on 8. Stay tuned, more Quest for Quiz when we return from this break.